Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be bringing you a 5 and below haul. I have all my items right here in this bag. It's so big and stuffed that I can't even fit it in a frame. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you some of the items that I found at 5 and below. I have a lot of cute pieces to share with you. But before we get into the haul, if you're new here on my channel, welcome. My name is Alexis Celine. I post beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content. So if you're interested in any of that, definitely consider subscribing down below and also hitting the bell so you'll be notified of any future uploads of mine. So I'm just going to get straight into it and show you what I found at 5 and below. A lot of cute pieces for the summertime, so let's get into it. Alright, so this bag is holding on for dear life. I don't know if I'm able to show you, but it's like, oh yeah, right here. It's ripping. It's like all ripped up. As you can see, they stuffed this baby. This is the only bag and they stuffed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Trying to figure out what I want to show you first. The first thing that I got is this case right here. It says it's for iPhone 14 and 13 and it's like silicone. I just love the vibrant colors and of course it's shaped like a unicorn. So girly and cute. I've been obsessed with cases lately. I do have an unboxing of my new iPhone 14 Pro and also a case haul included in that if you haven't checked it out or if you're new to my channel. So I'll link that down below if you want to go see some cute cases that I found at Shein. But yeah, I decided to get this one because like I said, I have a new phone, so I love to just switch it up. So right now, this is what I have. This one's from Shein. It's pretty basic, so I like to switch it up and change into something cuter. So got this one right here. Next is this brush holder. I actually plan on using this to dry them because when I dry them, I'll just lay a towel out and I'll lay them all out. And sometimes it does take a little while for them to dry that way. But maybe if they're standing up, all the water would just like kind of drip down and it'd be easier to dry them. So yeah, I picked this up and seems like it will fit a lot of brushes. So I'm definitely gonna be trying this out soon because I'm in desperate need of some clean brushes. Next thing is so cute. This is one of the main things that I was going to 5 and below for is the clothing because I've just seen so many cute clothing items on TikTok and I was like, okay, I need to go there because only $5 for a cute dress or shirt is such a great deal. I saw this dress and I had to get it because it's just so beautiful and it just screams summer to me. It's this green floral dress here and it's a halter top. It's kind of like a bodycon dress. It's more tight fitted. It's just so pretty. Kind of reminds me of Barbie. I don't know, just the vibrant print on it. It's super pretty and flattering on. I picked it up in a size medium. I knew that the material is super stretchy, so a medium would fit me fine. And I got the perfect sandals to go with it. If you're a pink girly, you need to go get these ASAP. I picked up these little platform sandals. Let me see if you can see. They don't have too much of a thick platform, but they match perfect with this dress. So I had to get them, of course. I did pick them up in a size 6. I usually wear a 5.5 or 6. They're a little bit big on me, but they didn't have a 5.5. So I just went ahead and got this. They had a lot of 9s and 10s at the location that is near me. So these are just so freaking cute. They scream Barbie as well to me. I just love how they look. Definitely a great find. Next is this little USB cable for an iPhone. You just never can have enough cables for your iPhone because they'll go missing or they'll give out and not work anymore. So I picked this one up specifically to go in my purse because I got this power bank right here. Look how cute this is. I saw this and I immediately grabbed it. So I just got the pink cable to match with it. You can never have too many power banks. They're just always good to have backups because you never know when your phone is gonna die. I'm gonna open it so I can show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. I love the detail of the cone and then just the pink shade. Okay, so the next thing that I got is actually for my dog. I got her a little bed for her crate, this hot pink color inside, this tropical pattern on the outside, and it's just so pretty. Our last bed was just like getting really raggedy, so she needed a new one. And actually the last one that I got her was from 5 Below. Also, they do have a lot of dog stuff. So if you have any pets, dogs and cats, they definitely have a lot of good things to choose from for your animals, such as clothing, accessories, toys. Go to 5 Below. They have a lot of stuff for your pets. Next is this graphic tee right here, it just says Venice Beach. It's this brown chocolate color, and then it looks white on camera, but it's actually like a creamish color. It is a size medium, and brown is my favorite color, so I went ahead and got this. But yeah, I really love the colors, and I have some shoes that will match perfectly with this, and sneakers, so I'm gonna throw a little cute outfit together. Next are these Erase Your Face makeup removing cloths. So it comes with 2, which they are reusable. These definitely come in handy after filming a makeup video and just wiping it all off. Then I actually got another one. They did have it in this leopard print with a black one as well, and leopard print is my favorite print. I definitely wanted to get this one, and it was the last one with the leopard print, so I had to cop it. Then I got this lime green dress in a size medium, and I just love the side. It has like these little strings, so you can kind of cinch it in to make it tighter, and it just fits you really nicely. Even though I have like my mommy pooch, it still looks cute on me. I just love the fit, and it's super soft and comfortable, and it's a good length as well. But yeah, this is just a really pretty color, and I like that it matches well with those shoes. Or I could pair it with these. I did pick up the black ones as well. These will definitely match with a lot more stuff than the pink ones. But yeah, I feel like this was definitely a cute little vibe. So I got another shirt. We're coming up on the last things. I didn't get too much this time around because, like I said, they didn't really have much clothing, and that was like the main thing that I wanted to get. The next thing is this shirt here. It's the same as the brown one. It just says Honolulu, Hawaii, and it's this lilac purple color, and then it has little flowers on it. It's almost like a varsity t-shirt. I don't know how long this will last. I usually don't do whites because I always end up spilling something on me, so fingers crossed I can get a few wears out of this shirt. And then the last thing is this other phone case here. Look how cute this is. This is so girly, and it just screams like Y2K to me. That's like the vibes that I get from it with this star here. So that is everything in this 5 and Below haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to see another 5 and Below haul, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you aren't already. I'd love to have you here. My next video will be a Marshalls makeup haul. I have a lot of good finds at Marshalls, so you definitely don't want to miss that video. So make sure to tap the bell so you don't miss out on that video whenever it does go up. Hope you enjoyed this haul. Stay tuned for more, and until next time, bye.